Recently, I partnered with Spatial Business Systems to test the Automated Utility Design tool, more commonly referred to as AUD. AUD is a 3D modeling tool and a plugin to the AutoCAD design application we use today. It automates and standardizes our design process by providing a common digital interface and applying validation rules to prevent user error. I had the chance to test the tool and would like to share some of its key benefits and features with you that are currently in development. The biggest value of AUD is streamlined approach to updating materials and equipment associated with the design. Today, estimators tabulate required materials through a combination of EES, DEB, spreadsheets, standards, and manual calculations. If there is a change in materials, estimators must make manual updates across several systems, a time-consuming and tedious task, especially when working on multiple location designs. In AUD, anytime facilities are modified, material is automatically added or removed from the design, saving time and ensuring a complete and accurate selection of materials and equipment. In future development, this tool would sync with EES to automate much of the manual data entry estimators do today. The next AUD feature worth highlighting is the drawing type automation that enables estimators to create all-in-one drawings. What we mean by that is you can create a civil-focused construction drawing and electric-focused schematic drawing all in one simply by stylizing the output. Right now, estimators must create separate drawings such as key sketches, construction drawings. In doing so, when a change occurs, the estimators need to make sure the update translates through the rest of the drawings. The multiple entry process across separate drawings creates a lot of room for error. AUD looks to automate some of this process by applying different stylizations to the same drawing for each type of deliverable. Another feature worth sharing is AUD has values such as wire sizes, lengths, and load integrated to its system, which allows the accurate and automatic calculation of voltage drop flicker. Estimators will no longer have to calculate this value in Excel. AUD also automates cable pulling calculations, another value estimators currently obtain through Excel and must input into multiple files. To add complexity, the number of files depend on the amount of cable runs that exist within the project and can amount to dozens for larger projects. When change in circumstance arises, estimators make manual updates to spreadsheets, which can make a time-consuming, inefficient, and error-prone process. When using AUD, pulling calculations get auto-calculated in real time and can account for changes in elevation, something our current spreadsheets cannot do. Now, let's talk about revisions. Minor changes like transformer relocation currently take a significant amount of time to update due to the implied changes to pulling tension and voltage drop flicker. Estimators must recalculate both of these values in Excel and update table in the CAD drawing. What can seem a simple change tends to impact several aspects of the drawing and is done manually. With the use of AUD, most revisions get updated automatically because all the features of the drawing are connected within a model. This design and process saves time and reduces the chance of overlooking a change. AUD also simplifies and streamlines the way we label equipment. Estimators right now know how manual the process is to label every piece of electrical equipment based on equipment specifications and across multiple PDF drawings. In AUD, equipment specifications are pre-configured to models. This design makes it possible for estimators to auto-generate and update labels systematically from a single point of entry. Similarly, AUD can be pre-configured to store generic equipment details in relation to equipment type with relative labels that are automatically derived from the design. Estimators will no longer need to create or modify generic equipment details manually. Last, but certainly not least on my list, is AUD's streamlined approach to location numbering. Location numbering, currently another manual task, is one that impacts several drawings. Right now, any changes estimators make to location numbers can have a cascading impact to the Excel calculation files and the EES estimator structure. In using an integrated AUD and EES, location numbers stay fluid across most associated documentations. This streamlined approach allows for auto-synchronization of location numbers to EES and OCalc, serving up the most up-to-date quality control and compliance data points. I hope you enjoyed this video on the top benefits and features